By Whitsunday and Huntlytown, it's there I did agree. With Bogieside O'Kearney is 6 months for to fee. To drive his 2 best horses, likewise his curtain blue, and to do a thing about the farm that richt well I could do. Now Bogie had a daughter whose name was Isabel. The flower o' her nation, there's nane her could excel. She had rosy cheeks and ruby lips, and hair dark as dew. She was neat, complete, and